Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn 100 daily use English sentences that will help you speak English more fluently. These are simple, short, and very useful for your everyday conversations. So let's get started. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth every day. I brush my teeth every day. I take a shower after waking up. I take a shower after waking up. I get ready for work. I get ready for work. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. I drink tea in the morning. I drink tea in the morning. I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. I reach office on time. I reach office on time. I start my work immediately. I start my work immediately. I check my emails first. I check my emails first. I attend meetings daily. I attend meetings daily. I talk to my colleagues. I talk to my colleagues. I complete my tasks on time. I complete my tasks on time. I take a short break. I take a short break. I drink water regularly. I drink water regularly. I eat lunch at noon. I eat lunch at noon. I prefer home-cooked food. I prefer home-cooked food. I go for a walk after lunch. I go for a walk after lunch. I feel tired in the afternoon. I feel tired in the afternoon. I finish my work in the evening. I finish my work in the evening. I return home safely. I return home safely. I relax for some time. I relax for some time. I watch TV in the evening. I watch TV in the evening. I listen to music daily. I listen to music daily. I talk to my family. I talk to my family. I help with household work. I help with household work. I cook dinner sometimes. I cook dinner sometimes. I eat dinner with family. I eat dinner with family. I drink water before bed. I drink water before bed. I go to bed early. I go to bed early. How are you today? How are you today? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am working right now. I am working right now. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going to the market. I am going to the market. Can you help me? Can you help me? Yes, I can help you. Yes, I can help you. Please wait for a moment. Please wait for a moment. I will call you later. I will call you later. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Rahul. My name is Rahul. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in India. I live in India. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. I am learning English. I am learning English. I want to improve my skills. I want to improve my skills. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. I am very busy today. I am very busy today. I have a lot of work. I have a lot of work. I feel very happy. I feel very happy. I am feeling sad today. I am feeling sad today. I am excited about this. I am excited about this. I am a little tired. I am a little tired. I need some rest. I need some rest. I am hungry now. I am hungry now. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Let's eat something. Let's eat something. Please open the door. Please open the door. Close the window. Close the window. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Turn off the fan. Turn off the fan. Sit down here. Sit down here. Stand up, please. Stand up, please. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Speak slowly. Speak slowly. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Try again. Try again. I don't understand. I don't understand. Please explain again. Please explain again. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? What do you mean? What do you mean? I got it now. I got it now. That sounds good. That sounds good. That's a great idea. That's a great idea. I agree with you. I agree with you. I don't agree. I don't agree. It depends. It depends. What time is it? What time is it? It is 5 o'clock. It is 5 o'clock. I am getting late. I am getting late. Hurry up. Hurry up. Wait for me. Wait for me. Come here. Come here. Go there. Go there. Take care. Take care. See you soon. See you soon. Goodbye. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. Welcome. Welcome. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You are welcome. You are welcome. Sorry for the mistake. Sorry for the mistake. No problem at all. No problem at all.